So let's install the meta tag module. I'm going to pull it up in Google here real quick by typing in Drupal meta tag. And we'll click meta tags here on Drupal.org. So the project name is actually meta tag, but it's called meta tags, just in case there's a little confusion in the way I'm referencing it here. So this gives you a little bit of information about the project. It actually includes a lot of features that will become useful for you as you try to integrate with social networks and you want the content to display in particular ways on, say, Facebook or Twitter. And you can also use it in a variety of other ways to automatically expose particular context to different services. For us, we're going to leave the configuration completely alone. We're just going to install it, and that basic installation will do enough to get us what we need. So here's the information you need to install the module and what version we're using. I'm of course going to use Drush to download the module, but I'm going to go to the modules page in order to configure what modules I want to enable, because meta tag comes with a bundle of modules. Okay, I'm going to go to the modules page, and let's click on the meta tags grouping. So we're unable to enable meta tags right now because we need the token module. So we'll need to download that in order to enable this. Now, if we use Drush to enable meta tag, then token will be downloaded and installed automatically. However, if you're doing this manually, here's the information you need to download and install token. I'm going to go over to Drush, and I'm going to type Drush en meta tag. I'm going to type Y again. Okay, so token was enabled, and I'm going to refresh the page, and I'm going to click meta tags again and scroll down. So these other modules you can really ignore for now. Meta tags context is interesting because it allows you to set different meta tags, for example, the title or description, based on different contexts, and that's using the context module. And then there's other modules to enable you to integrate with Facebook or Twitter with the Twitter cards module. So once you have meta tag installed and enabled, you can exit out of the overlay here. And now, even though our title doesn't display, we still see the title here in the tab, and that's meta tag doing its work.